That was supposed to be a cool opening. Hey everybody, cowboys, what's up? You can thank me for this tutorial later. This is an emergency. If you are bored, if you need something to do right now, if you are just hungry, if you are itching for a snack, I have got something for you. First, what we will be needing, marshmallows. Cracker things for s'mores. What I'm about to teach you right now is a microwave s'more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, I know. Genius, thank you. Ow. I'm going to get a plate. This plate will do. Now, in order to prepare for this meal, we will be needing to open this box of cookie making stuff. 4 crackers, 2 for each s'more. Just place them on the plate, make a little fun square. 2 marshmallows, 1 for each s'more. Now, the marshmallows that stick together, they're always the best ones. Am I right? Hey, look, someone's home. No, they're not. That's just my cat. So what was that? 5-second rule. So gotta get the sticky marshmallows, hold them apart, and place them on top of the cookies. Yes, looking good. I could just eat them right now. The next step, this is crucial. You must open the microwave and put these in there and heat them up. Now the trick to this here is you can't do it for too long, but you can't do it for too short of a time. So what I'm going to do it for, was that English? I don't know. 11 seconds. Why? Because 11's my favorite number. Now, if you watch carefully, the marshmallows will inflate as the microwave does its work. 11 seconds, start, and watch them explode. Look at them grow. Look at them go. They're doing great. Guess what? My recipe was wrong. They didn't do good enough. We're gonna have to step it up. 11 more seconds. Let's go. Oh, I see them growing. They're growing. Look at them. Scrumptious. You must separate them because the marshmallows for some reason are stuck together. Place 1 cookie on top. Place the other cookie on top. And would you look at that? Look how good that looks. Oh, the chocolate is getting all over my hand. Jesus Christ! Ah! I never said they were easy to eat. Oh no, no, no. Jesus. So this one's pushing. You can see the chocolate is melting. That's what you want it to do. The marshmallow is flattening. And it's all stretching. Here's a little hack for these microwave s'mores. You slurp up the marshmallow. If I have chocolate on my face right now, I'm so sorry. Now, we only have 1 bite left. Gotta savor it. Gotta wash off the plate. That was so good, I could have another one. Why there's a soccer ball on my counter, I don't know. Ah, it's still in my hands. So that there was my little emergency microwave s'more. Just in case it's raining outside. It's too cold for a fire. You don't have a fire. In case your fire isn't working. In case your fire is poisonous. In case your mom won't let you go near the fire because it's too dangerous. You can use that tutorial whenever you want. I mean, I have a fire right there, but no. This just makes it so much better. If you ever want a microwave s'more, that's all you gotta do. My cat's scared of the ring light man. It's so funny. I guess I'll go turn that off now because I want her to come out. She's such a lovable cat and she shouldn't be hiding from me. And I'm home alone. I need someone to be with me. See you later. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Whoa, I look like a ghost. Bye.